At Northern Parkway, we truly believe that learning is joyful. The span wall installed in our hallways has changed the way that our entire school community views what's possible in education. At the beginning of the school year, we had an opportunity to get it installed, and since then we have just been learning and growing and sharing. You know, we actually did the span of the curriculum using the span wall. We selected fourth grade students to be our model students for this project. They did some math lessons, they did some lessons around one of their favorite books, A Fish in a Tree. We did some lessons around character education and character traits. And we ended the day with a lesson on creating projects using simple machines. There's something that they're doing, a combination of science and math.
One of the things that I like about the system is how students that are usually very quiet, very to themselves, just being stimulated by all the technology, being stimulated by the pictures, by the senses, by touching the iPads and the ideas that are being posted on the wall, their creativity gets just sparked. And then I say, who posted this? And they're like, me, and they feel so proud about being able to create, post, and then discuss their ideas. So far, my favorite lesson has been creating charts where the students can either look at a picture and draw conclusions based on the picture, or watch a video and analyze character traits and see the interactions of characters in the video or in the movie or in the reading passage. I'm able to just post an idea on the wall, having them work on it, create, design, come up with new ideas, and then have a conversation, a very rich conversation about what we're doing. If somebody believes in you, then you're inspired to believe in yourself.
In the beginning, you know, you just walk by, you see this plain wall, but then when you stop and you touch and you look and you explore, you say, wow, this is really the future of not only education, but the future of the world.
From now on, the SPAN system will be that secret weapon that I can just grab and utilize it to create powerful lessons that will have a greater impact in my students.